Learning to express your feelings starts with self-awareness. When you notice that you're feeling something, take a moment to accept that feeling and give it a name. Pay attention to the thoughts and physical reactions you have as well as the emotion itself. Then ask yourself why you feel the way you do. For example, if you feel sad, ask yourself what caused the feeling and why you're reacting that way. When you're expressing your feelings to others, focus on being clear and direct. If you're feeling upset about something they did, use I language to describe your feelings so they don't feel blamed or attacked. For instance, say something like, "I feel angry when you talk to me that way," instead of, "You make me so mad." If you start to get upset while expressing your feelings, take a few deep breaths to help you calm down. In addition to talking about your feelings, you can also express your feelings through creative outlets like music, writing, or art. Exercise is also a great, healthy way to channel your emotional energy. Whatever form of expression you choose, don't forget to do things that help you relax, de-stress, and celebrate your positive emotions. Whether it's meditating, going for a walk, or spending time with a friend.